Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can create Sweatcoin account on your mobile phone. So firstly, if you haven't already downloaded Sweatcoin app on your device, download it now. Then open the Sweatcoin app. After opening the app, you can see two options, either to sign up with Google or log into your account. If you already have an account, you can directly log into your account. But if you don't have an account, tap on sign up with Google. Now tap on the account that you'd want to create the Sweatcoin account with. Again, tap on continue as your name option. Similarly, tap on the access physical activity button. Again, tap on allow to let the Sweatcoin app access your physical activity. Then tap on enable Google Fit so that it can see your steps data. Tap on allow again, which will allow Sweatcoin to use Google Fit to see and store your physical activity data. Again, tap on allow step counting. And finally, for the app to always run in the background, tap on allow. You've successfully now created your Sweatcoin account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.